guys? Studio's a mess. I don't really care. Big box. Oh, I'm excited. Not an exaggeration. This thing is heavy. The actual weight of this box is 16 pounds, according to FedEx. Holy crap, I cannot wait to see this. How am I going to open this? Okay. Oh, it's a big box. That fell. That's not good. Oh, this is going to be a hell of a time. Knife. Yay. I'm going to open this. Hold on. Ninjago. Oh, holy crap, this box is huge. Not a bit of bubble wrap. You can see my room in the background, but I honestly, at this point, I don't care. Oh my God. Look at this beauty. Oh man, this is... It's currently like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so you can probably hear my family in the background. But 16 minifigures. I'm having a hard time controlling this. Like, can't even see them all. We got the Young Lloyd, Scoop, Urban J, Urban Mia, Clutch, Mistako, the Mechanic, CC, Ronin, Urban Cole, Eileen, Hi, Kyato, Urban Cole, Tito, Kato, May, Wu, Christina, Kai, and then Zane. 5,000 pieces. Oh, this is going to be a hell of a build. Honestly, I just want to look at the box. Usually I burn my boxes. Like, I'll take the box, throw it in a burn pile, and I'll burn it. I have a bonfire, but I don't think I can bring myself to burn this one. This is just too beautiful. I'm not actually tearing up. I'm just 29 inches. It's about it's over 2.5 feet. By 17 inches by 13 inches. Holy crap. Just gonna take the camera. All this. Just an overview of the box, because expand your world, the gardens. 5 layers of awesomeness with an elevator and all this good stuff. So when I'm building this, I'm going to do it by hour increments. I'm going to upload a video. I'm going to upload this, start building, and then in an hour I'm going to upload another video showing how far I've made it. Because I need content. Because I figured it'd be cool. Plus I'm kind of, I don't know, it'd be a good way to bump up my videos. Just as a little update. Also in preparation for this, I have gone through my minifigure collection and collected all the citizens that I've gotten through the years and the elemental masters, so I can have more citizens for my city, and when I get the other 2 sets, it'll look better. I'm gonna get to building, and peace out.